When we were searching for a hosting provider for our learning management system, we prioritized three things: reliability, performance, and speed. Our goal was to create an immersive learning experience for our learners. Let me tell you, Scala Hosting delivered on all these fronts. With their assistance, Redroot successfully implemented an LMS for the Commission on Elections, specifically utilized during the Philippine national election of 2022. One of the things that deeply impressed me was how comfortably our LMS managed high traffic. The servers provided by Scala Hosting are lightning fast, which ensures that the LMS loads swiftly, thereby offering a seamless browsing experience for users. Even with a large number of learners accessing the system simultaneously, it remained incredibly responsive. This guaranteed a smooth and uninterrupted learning experience for the users. As we approached the national elections, the demand for our LMS skyrocketed. Thanks to the scalability of Scala Hosting, we could accommodate the surge in users without compromising on performance. It was indeed remarkable to see our system effortlessly accommodate over 250,000 users, maintaining a user access rate of over 1 million during the course of the week. Scala Hosting proved instrumental in our mission to provide accessible education to voters and election stakeholders. Choosing Scala Hosting has had a profoundly positive impact on our organization. Their unmatched speed, reliable uptime, scalable solutions, and outstanding support have provided us with a competitive edge in the industry. We have peace of mind knowing that our website is in competent hands. Scala Hosting has been a game changer for us. Their hosting plans are not just affordable but also offer great value considering the features and performance they provide. With Scala Hosting, we have succeeded in delivering a transformative learning experience to thousands of learners. If you're seeking a hosting provider for mission-critical projects like ours, I can't recommend Scala Hosting enough. Join the league of satisfied users like us who have harnessed the power of Scala Hosting to drive positive change. Experience the excellence of their hosting services and unlock the true potential of your mission-critical projects.